It's time for another gardening update.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, with another garden collab update, and today I'm sharing with you, this is basil, and a lot of it growing in this pot. Beautiful basil, coming, loving it. So many of the plants, the seeds have sprouted rather. Love it. This is peppers. This is the tarragon. I think that looked like a tomato plant right there. No, is it? I don't know. I'm not sure with this one. But this is peppers. So, as you can see, what I was mainly concerned about was growing the basil. And it's happening, so I'm gonna have some nice basil. Guess I'll go up to the top and see the sage, rosemary, cucumber plant, and let y'all see how that's doing right quick. Looks like it's gonna rain around here. It's dark. 7 o'clock in the morning, Saturday morning. Okay. This is, that's the cucumber plant right there. Getting more leaves. Cucumber, rosemary, the oregano, and the sage. I did throw some more seeds in the sage. Drop down. This is the savory. I had harvested a lot of the savory. This is the marjoram, still shooting up there. And I guess this is my little disaster. It's need to come back. It looked like it's coming back to life in the time. So things look like it's gonna be okay. The sage is growing new leaves. Okay, guess that's it for now. Until next time, don't forget to visit the participants that I advertised in the beginning of this video, guys. And you guys have a great gardening day. Check me out on Thursday if you want to see how I organize the garden, clean it up, declutter and all that stuff. Check the Thursday gardening video. Okay, thanks for now. Happy gardening. Bye.
I'll see you on the next one.